So this is the LOB Street. This time it's not the LOB Cub, but the LOB Street. Guys, you're gonna watch the video to the end because I'm gonna build this thing from scratch. So I invite my daughter right there. By the end of the video, what you're gonna see is not some creepy tires and an engine and forks like that. What you're gonna see is gonna be a street Cub. This is the frame of the Cub, right? The HONDA Cub. We're gonna use the frame to manufacture. Wide it up and weight it back. So today I'm gonna be chopping up and designing the front shock. Look at the way I do it. I'm gonna be designing this step by step and chopping this up. So I'm gonna use this pipe to cut off this thing and design it and fire it up to make it look very smooth. Okay. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so today I'm done with the episode 1 of my Honda Street Cub, goes by the name LOB Street, like I say. So today is the end of the episode 1. You're gonna wait for episode 2, it's coming soon. So guys, this is how I keep it from episode 1. I chop the back, the tail, and I wide it up, and now I got the fork and I break it into 2. Then I wide it up for the bigger tires, as you can see, and I make the shock outside to look like a monster. And so for the front brake, cause this is a monster bike, right? It's a street bike. You're gonna hand brake, so the spring right here gonna look monsterly, and when you hand brake, you see it's not gonna move like that. So guys, you've been wondering I don't do episode videos, but this time why? The reason I'm doing the episode video, cause all my videos I always put it on a fast mode to make everything quick. So you're not gonna follow up. I've been seeing a lot of comments. People have been asking me, hey man, we don't follow your video, we don't know how you teach us, it's very fast, we don't really understand. So this time I want to teach you this thing step by step. All right, so this is why I'm doing it episode by episode. All right, so guys, this is the first episode. I'm gonna drop the next episode soon. Then only thing you want to do is subscribe to the channel below, turn on the notification bell. Subscription is also free, absolutely free. So you're gonna be first notified when I drop the next video, okay? Because I want you to learn this. I've been doing this for years. I've been doing this thing for years, so I want to teach you guys step by step. Not much tools. Any engineer can do it. If you can do it for your project, it's a nice bike. So you can do it for business also. So subscribe to the channel below so you can learn. I want you to learn exactly what I know. This is how we move on with life. Share ideas, right? Okay guys, next episode. So peace.